In this video, we will be discussing using edges to define a surface plane, the edgeSurf command. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file using edges to define a surface plane, the edgeSurf command.dwg, located in the Working Files folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. The edgeSurf command will create a mesh between four contiguous edges or curves. Before proceeding with the command, we need to discuss a few system variables. The first variable is called the surftab1 variable. The surftab1 variable defines the number of surfaces or tabulations AutoCAD will use to create a linear object, or the number of surfaces it will use to create the circumference of a round object such as an arc. Make sure that surftab1 will type in surftab1 and we'll set it to 20. The next variable that we need to be concerned with is surftab2. And surftab2 defines the number of surfaces AutoCAD will use to create latitudinal sections along the path of a rotation of an object. So let's go ahead and verify that is also set to 20 as well. The higher the value of these two variables will make your surfaces more accurate. However, that comes with a price. It can increase the file size as well as the time it takes for your drawing to regenerate. So let's go ahead and create some surfaces based upon some existing 2D objects that we have. So we'll first go ahead and create this flag. So if I do a shift middle click, you'll notice I have a spline or two and some linear graphics as well. So we'll go ahead and set our current layer to m-flag. And then we want to select the command over here called edgeSurf. This is located in the Mesh tab, Primitives panel. So it's asking us first for object number 1. So we'll go ahead and select the spline. And it says object number 2. I'll go ahead and pick this line. Object number 3, we'll pick this line on the bottom. And then object number 4, we'll pick this line here. And very simply, we now have our surface. As you can see, if I go ahead and hover over this, this is a mesh surface. Let's go ahead and do the same thing, but we'll create a ground surface. So we'll go ahead and make sure that our current layer is set to m-ground, and we'll go ahead and run the edgeSurf command. Picking the 4 edges, we can simply select all 4, and there's our ground surface. So again, that's a very easy command to create surfaces just based on 4 objects. They can be in different UCSs, they can be defined in different methods, but as you can see, it's very easy to create those surfaces based on 4 objects.